Hi, it's Helen here from Hell of a Cake, and today we'll be doing some beautiful filler flowers and buds. So we're just going to start off with 26 gauge florist wire. And with these wires I'm making 3 flowers. Here you can see I'm cutting 2 in half. Next I'll be using stamens, so take 6 and bend them in half until you see a hole in the middle. I'm going to pick up this wire, feed it through the hole and make a little bend halfway. Then I'm making sure the stamens are secure whilst twisting the wire around and down. I've picked up my florist tape and I've just added it at the end of the stamens. This just makes sure that it's more secure. And then I've continued twisting the tape around the wire until it reaches the end. The next thing you need is some SFP sugar paste. I'm rolling it out into a small ball, working from the inside out. As you can see, I've left a little bit of sugar paste in the middle, which I'm using to make the stem. I'm now rolling out the sugar paste between my fingers, which makes sure it fits within the flower cutters above. You can find out where I get these cutters from by checking the description box below. Handy tip, remember to pick up your sugar paste off the bench like I did. This will stop it sticking when cutting out. At the moment you can see us shaking it along the bench. This removes any excess sugar paste and gives a smoother look. Once I've got the flower out, I have started to roll the stem between my fingers and give it some length. I've positioned the flower against my knuckle and started rolling each petal to give them all shape. When I've got the size I want for my petal, all I've done is grab some of my homemade glue. If you're interested in seeing how I make the glue, please check out the link below. I'm dabbing the wire in the glue and removing any excess onto my hand. When you position the wire in the centre, please don't press down on it. The best way is to turn the wire gently and feed it through the hole. At the end, nip the stem and remove any excess sugar paste. To get a nicer look, all I'm doing is pinching the petals at the end and pushing them up. If you want any more flowers, just repeat the process again. All I'm going to do now is dust the flowers that I've made before. What I'd like to use is a little bit of peach sugar flare dust mixed with Rejuvenator. I'm picking up a round brush and I'm just going to paint the top of the stamens. If you look at this flower, you can see I'm adding colour to give it that little bit more depth. This time I'm using dry dust to create a line down the centre. For this flower we are changing it slightly and just placing the dust down the centre. Now for the last flower, all I'm doing is using a flat bit of the brush and coating the edge of the petals using a downwards motion. Pick up the 3 pretty flowers and all I'm doing is twisting the florist tape about 1/3 of the way down. This bunches them together and then we can move on to the buds. Thanks for watching. Make sure you tune in for part 2 where I'm showing you how to make these matching buds. Hit that like button and of course if you're new here, hit the subscribe button. If you want to be here first when they come out, click that notification bell. Until next time.